Now, you know that nitroglycerin is an compound which is utilized to get relief in angina pectoris, and it causes smooth muscle relaxation. It is a short-acting nitrate. We know the mechanism. These nitrates release NO nitric oxide, and then GC is activated, and then GC is then stimulating the conversion of GTP into the cyclic GMP, and later on a smooth muscle relaxation occurs. And nitroglycerin particularly reduce the myocardial load, reduce the oxygen demand, and in that way helps in relieving the symptoms of angina pectoris. Nitroglycerin, it is also called as glyceryl trinitrate, because it is synthesized from glycerol. It is a 3-carbon chain, 1, 2, and 3, glycerol. It is triol because 3 hydroxy groups are situated on all the 3 carbons. So you can say that it is propane triol or propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Now you see that the entire skeleton is ready to synthesize glyceryl trinitrate or nitroglycerin. What we require here to substitute the hydrogens on the oxygen by NO2 group. Then we are going to get nitroglycerin. What we have to do? Just we have to replace hydrogen, 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 these 3 hydrogens by 3 NO2 groups. And if you want to substitute this hydrogen by NO2, then we have to generate an electrophile. So NO2, nitronium ion we are going to generate, and that nitronium ion nitrogen will be electron deficient, and then oxygen of this 3 hydroxyl group with a non-bonded pair of electron is going to form a bond because they are having that non-bonded pair of electron. All 3 oxygen generally have non-bonded pair of electron, 2 pairs. So they will attack the nitrogen and hydrogen will be replaced. But to generate that nitronium ion, you have to react nitric acid with H2SO4, which is called as nitrating mixture. Okay, which is a nitrating mixture. Now these 2 acids in which H2SO4 sulfuric acid is a strong acid, it dehydrates the nitric acid and generates NO2 plus ion, which replace these hydrogens. Now you can see here, this is the reaction of nitric acid with sulfuric acid. This is the nitric acid. This is the Lewis structure of nitric acid. Nitric acid looks like this. This is the Lewis structure of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid donates a proton. It is a strong acid. So you can see here, very interesting. Although you are saying the nitric acid is an acid, sulfuric acid is an acid, but in this case, this is the acid-base reaction. Nitric acid is acting as a base. Okay, it is accepting a proton, and sulfuric acid is acting as an acid because it is a strong acid. It is donating proton. Proton is going on the hydroxyl group of oxygen of the hydroxyl group of nitric acid. Then you can see OH2, oxygen gets positive charge. Then oxygen breaks bond with nitrogen because it is more electronegative and it will release a water molecule. So dehydration. And what will be formed here? NO2, where nitrogen is going to be electron deficient. This is the nitronium ion. Okay, then this nitronium ion nitrogen will be attacked by these oxygens. Okay, these oxygens, and hydrogen will be replaced by NO2. So in this way, look here now, hydrogens are replaced by NO2 by the mixture, nitrating mixture, which generates nitronium ion, and 3 water molecules will be released. So this is the synthesis of nitroglycerin.